Hello, YouTube. Same with no intro. We've got a really cool vacuum here, but it's this Dyson ball animal free extra. Got it on Amazon for $387. Christmas or probably Christmas Day, but 2 days before Christmas. And these Dysons are cool, way cooler than I thought they were because it's much quieter. And it feels a lot more durable than I thought they were. But here's something insane about the Dyson. This brush roller is the biggest, most widest brush roller I have ever seen in any vacuum. It's so big. The bristles are kind of soft, but they also are pretty stiff. Some of them are soft. Okay. I like how those air. I think it's something in there. I don't know how to get them out, but this one's like. This is kind of difficult to get out. Like, you gotta pull this or whatever. I like how you gotta get that out, but it's pretty heavy too. But kind of bulky, but that's something I don't like about the Dyson. But overall, if I was picking that $387 I can come Amazon stuff like $165 shark from Walmart, I think I'm taking this. But this is like the weirdest thing, is this. It gets super duper loud though when you have this. Position with this. But you've got a filter in there. Turn your brush roller on and off. The cord is extremely long. I like also to put over the legs go up like that. Another thing I like about the Dyson, you can use the little hide adjustment right here, even when it's perfectly upright position, which you can't on most factors. Another thing I don't like is sometimes if you put it a little bit too hard, that thing will fall down. But I had a toy Dyson a while ago, like 5 or 6 years ago. That little brush roll, I thought it just moved because it was a toy, but actually, even on real Dysons, that will move. I also like those wheels too. But another thing I want to demonstrate is the performance. The performance is pretty good since it's got stiff bristles. This thing has the most suction I have ever seen on any vacuum I've ever used. This is almost like a shop vac. Some shop vacs, some smaller shop vacs might not have as much suction as this does. And it does to cover pretty good, but it don't have a huge amount of airflow though. It's got a pretty good amount of airflow, but not about as much as an Orc. Or maybe about as much as an Orc. But way more suction than an Orc. Is also a lot quieter than an Orc. And maybe cleans a little bit better than an Orc. So honestly, I'm pretty much saying that this is a pretty good vacuum. I would way rather have this than a Shark Stratos at Walmart and Amazon Shark's website. For just as much, sometimes even more. Look how long this cord is. That's insane. Okay, here we go. Let's turn on. Here we go. Camera clip. I got on this highest setting. Look at how many lines it's moving. It's probably the most dirty. Obviously, I don't like this. But what I am going to say is that, even the Director Elites are really good. You can buy for $80 at Walmart. Shit. 2001 or 2000 and stuff. But I actually want to say that those will probably be slightly worse built than this. They are much louder. Some of the elites, the new elites, kind of clean. Don't have much more airflow than stars. This is better for Tyson Army freaking this over on Hoover Elite. Let's go a little bit lower. It's gonna get that really good agitation. This is how
You didn't direct it and write it.
Okay, so now we're back. Turbo Troll. Take a look at this tiny ass rocket. This is probably the most powerful tool I've ever used. To get that. Yeah. That's just how powerful it was. I didn't even do it on purpose. I just stuck that valve there. Cause yeah, this is crazy. This is absolutely almost overkill. Yeah, that's crazy powerful. Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, this has to be an 8 or 9. It's pretty good. I mean, it's pretty better than most vacuums. So anyways, guys, please subscribe, leave comments, and like the video. And always, there is your dinner.